Yeah, hey yo, 50 Cent, 50 Cent, Smurda Mixtape Volume 3. Who Kid, Stretch Armstrong, nigga. Take that. Hey yo, niggas don't wanna see 50 on the track. I got these cats that rap scared of me like I'm Haitian Jack. Fuck that, if I was you, I'd be scared of me too. Yo, Stretch, roll a weed while I tell them what I need. I need cream by the stacks, shells for the Mac, rims for the act, and the bitch to blow it back. I need the coke to come back, mad time on the jack. I got the Fendi sweaters, all I need is the hats. I need the police to chill, stay the fuck off my back. See a nigga in a Benz suede peddling crack. I need a stash box done so I can stash the gat. I need a stadium light to leave him blind as a bat. Flip it from under my plate when I'm running from Jake. I make no mistakes, look I need extra pace. My man up north, you need that new Stretch mixtape. I'm physically fit, nah for real son I'm in shape. I need that Beyonce bitch to take me out on a date. Niggas follow my footsteps cause everything I say slick. But I need y'all niggas to get off my dick. My description in 3 words, real witty cat. I'm in the club in ATL, I'm where the titties at. Ward, 50 Cent nigga, 2000 shit. Stretch, strong. Who Kid nigga? Who Kid nigga? Who Kid nigga? What? Who Kid nigga? Nah, it's going down. Nah, stop.